What's up, guys? My name is Hockey and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get a custom animation in Team Fortress 2. So the first thing you want to do is go down to the link of the description and find one of the animations you would like to put on what class. You can do all the classes, just some of them, but all of them are using GameBanana.com and the specific skins will be there. So I'm going to be using the engineer first person animation. So it's got screenshots, upcoming, the actual demonstration, but then you should get a download. You're going to click manual download and then download. You are going to need WinRAR for this. A link will be in the description. I think downloading it pretty self-explanatory. So then you're going to want to go into your Team Fortress 2 files. All you're going to have to do is go to library, properties, local files, then browse local files. So then I'm just going to drag this over onto the desktop. You can minimize that now and then extract to engineer overhaul version 3.0. So once that comes up, you can just get rid of that, and now you have two different ones, and one of them is a certain FOV. I have 70 FOV enabled, so all you gotta do is go into custom and then just click and drag into here and you have a custom animation. So you want to boot up TF2, but sometimes they will not show up, and this is a problem that I had to deal with because none of my animations would work. So all you had to do was go to Team Fortress and then go to config. If all of your stuff is working fine, you can just end the video right here. There's going to be nothing else, but what you're going to need to do is create an AUTOEXEC file, which means this runs on startup file pretty much. So if you do not have one already, I'm going to show you how to create one. What you are going to have to do is boot up Team Fortress 2. You actually have to go in-game. So I'm just going to boot that up right now. But as you can see, it will take a little bit longer to load up. And that's what's going to happen. You are going to have to wait 10 seconds on startup. It'll add 10 seconds to your startup, but it will not affect the performance of startup. It'll just, like right now, when the menu shows up, that's when it should start up, but then you'll just pretty much count to 10. So you should probably count to about 20 because it's got to load a map in. So right now, see in the bottom corner, it says loading. Obviously, I have a raised HUD. If you guys haven't seen how to get a custom HUD, I have a video already posted on that, but this is raised HUD. So it's still loading. It's doing this all in the background, so you don't have to click anything or enter anything. But once it's finished, your custom animations will work in-game unless there is something wrong with the animations, because this is the fix for it. So now that we're in, we got everything fine. You're going to want to open your developer console. It's either F2 or the little squiggly line. I'll put the right there, the thing right here. I'll put it when I edit it. That key, and then that will open up this. If you do not have this, all you have to do is go to Options, and then Keyboard, Advanced, and then Enable Developer Console, and apply that. So now what you have to do is, when you're in your console, type host _ right config space AUTOEXEC. I'll put that down in the description too. And once you do that, it will write an AUTOEXEC file, and then you can just get out of Team Fortress 2. And now you're here. So in here you will have an AUTOEXEC file, and to edit it you're gonna need Notepad++. I'll put a link down in the description. So all you have to do to download Notepad++ is go here, go to download, and then the big fat download button. And once you have that, all you gotta do is right click and then edit with Notepad++. We're still in the same config. And once you open it, you will have, oh no, all my stuff is gone. So looks like I have to. So now once you're in this, you're going to want to paste this line that I'm going to put in the description: map background item test colon wait 10 seconds colon disconnect. And then you're going to want to save it. So what this is going to do is make it do an item test in the background. And if none of the auto.exe, it just will not create or anything like that, all you got to do is when you're in game, type map space item test, and then load it up, click on a character, and then you got it. Then you just disconnect, and then your custom animations will work. But with that method, you will have to do it on every single startup manually. That's the method I had to do until I found a better method. So I found that solution on Paysus, the group that makes all these animations. So once you have that, you have a custom animations that work on any casual, competitive. They work on any server now that Valve has finally added them back in. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys have a fun time with the new animations, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace and bye-bye.